guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create this toggle section into your WordPress website using WPBakery WordPress plugin. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin and enter with login credentials, okay? After logging in, make sure that you have WPBakery plugin installed on your site, okay? In the case that you don't know how to install plugins, just contact us or use the comment section so I can help you, okay? After, go to your page, hit the submenu add new or go to a previously made page, click on the button called WPBakery Page Builder so we can load the editor. Then we can choose layouts. You can use a blank page or your WordPress theme layout. Then click on add element and search for toggle, okay? Here's the guy that I'm looking for. It's on content. And we have right here the toggle. You can use the upper right corner of your screen search field, but toggle is right here. Click on it. Now, let me show you what you have on the preview. Here is all you have, okay? Now, let's create the layout. It's the best part, in my opinion. First, I'm gonna click. I'm gonna enter a row. And right inside the row, I'm gonna use 3 columns. First one, gonna be a text block with a bigger price, for example, just like this, and some button, just like this. And the second one gonna be a text block, just with some links on it, just like this. And third one gonna be a copy of this one. So I'm gonna click access text, and here is the result I'm gonna have into the monthly plan. A price and a text. Nice, right? And into the second one, I can apply another part, okay? Simple, right? Let me just fix this option right here. Just like this. Creating a list of features, for example. Just like this. Looks like I'm gonna need to enter the numbers manually. No problem. Just like this. Let's try it out. And here's the result, okay? Now I can change for yearly. I'm gonna need to click on yearly and apply my contents using this plus button. In the case that you want, you can click on edit toggle and you can change active color content, inactive color content, and some other designer features, okay? In the case that you want. Also, in the case that you don't like these 2 little arrows right here, you can remove it using CSS. It's a pagination class, okay? Quite simple, by the way. In the case that you want to learn how to do this, let me know in the comments so I can guide you. And here is the results we got, okay? Simple, easy, and effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.